Let's fix the display driver failed to start error in Windows 11. Open Device Manager. Right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager. Click the small arrow next to Display Adapters. You'll see your GPU name, like Intel UHD, NVIDIA GeForce, or AMD Radeon. Uninstall the device. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Uninstall Device. Wait for the screen to flicker or go blank. That's normal. Once uninstalled, restart your computer. When Windows starts again, it will automatically reinstall the correct display driver from its internal driver library. After reboot, press Windows plus R, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. This checks and repairs any corrupted system files connected to your graphics driver. If you're still seeing the error, open Registry Editor, press Windows plus R, type Regedit. Navigate to this location. Create a new DOORD value. Right-click the blank space on the right side. Select new DOORD 32-bit value. Name it TDR delay. Double-click it, set base to decimal, and type 10 in value data. This gives your GPU 10 seconds to recover before Windows forces a reset. Create another DOORD, again, and name it TDR DDI delay. Set its decimal value to 20. Close the editor and restart your PC. And that's it. If your display is now working perfectly, leave a like and subscribe.